Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll discuss the next MCQs of PPSC lecture Zoology which was held on 20th of December 2020. In the previous video, I just talked about the first 30 MCQs and this video will start from 31. 31st MCQs is silverfishes occasionally damage wood, bookbinding, rice or wheat. Here the correct option is the beta, bookbinding. Next question. Continental drift theory proposed that all continents were a single supercontinent in past, called as Pangaea, Laurasia, Gondwana or the Madagascar. Here the correct option is alpha, Pangaea. Question 33. Human possess dash kidney, pronephros, mesonephros, metanephros, both alpha and the beta. Here the correct option is the Charlie, metanephros. Plant species having a wide range of genetical distribution evolve into a local population known as biome, ecosystem, population or ecotype. The correct option is delta, ecotype. Dash is the highest point of salt range in Pothoa region. Skesar Hill, Tila Jogia, Takhte Sulema or none of these. Here the correct option is alpha, Skesar Hills. Next question. Which prophet was a symbol of patience? Hazrat Daud alayhi salam, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Hazrat Ayub alayhi salam or Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. This is from general knowledge portion. And here the correct option is the Charlie, Hazrat Ayub alayhi salam. Question number 37. What should come in place of question mark that satisfy the following? This is also a question from general knowledge portion and this is a mathematical question. Here, what is the answer in place of question mark? And that is the 21. If we place 21 in place of the question mark, that balance this equation. So the correct option is delta. Question number 38. Large scale study of protein is metabolomics, proteomics, DNA methylation studies or bioformation. Here the correct option is proteomics, beta. Question number 39. Promoter may activate oncogenes by inhibiting the action of malignant genes, initiators, suppressor genes or the virus. The correct option is Charlie, suppressor genes. Question number 40. Which nitrogenous waste product is more toxic and produced only in insects that live in water? Alpha, urea, ammonia, uric acid or they all are equally toxic. Here the correct option is ammonia. 41. Electric eel can deliver an electric shock in excess of 50 volt, 5000 volt, 500 volt or 220 volt. The correct option is Charlie, 500 volt. Question number 42. RNA polymerase transcribes dash in nucleus, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, messenger RNA or cRNA. Here the correct option is ribosomal RNA. Question number 43. Who is the current Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? This is also from general knowledge portion. Dost Muhammad Khan, Mahmood Khan, Amir Haider Khan or none of these. The correct option is beta, Mahmood Khan. Question number 44. Name the biggest liar who announced the false prophethood. Abu Jahl, Muslima Kazab, Ibn Muljim or the Aswad Al-Ansi. The correct option here is the Aswad Al-Ansi. He announced himself as a prophet in the region of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So here the best option is delta. Question number 45. Speed of the line printer is measured in character per minutes, paragraph per minutes, line per minutes or the paper per minutes. The correct option is Charlie, line per minutes. Question number 46. The dash coefficient is probably that two alleles in an individual are identical descent from a common ancestor. population, probability, inbreeding, or LOD score. So the correct option here is Charlie, the inbreeding coefficient, that is the probability the two alleles in an individual and are identical descent from a common ancestor. Question number 47. Humans are classified in order primate, Chiroptera, Proboscidea, or Edentata. So here the correct option is alpha primates. Question number 48. I spend 20 hours to clean my garden. How long it will take if 4 people come to join me? 3 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, or the 4 hours? So first, one person spent 20 hours to clean a garden, then 4 person joined and the total person become 5. So 5 person will complete the same garden in 4 hours. The correct option is the delta. Question 49. Dash number of molecules of carbon dioxide are produced by an acetyl group acetyl coenzyme A in citric acid cycle. 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. The correct option is delta 2. Question number 50. Before independence, East Timor was the part of Australia, Philippines, Malaysia, or the Indonesia. The correct option is delta Indonesia. 51 question. Dash of the codon in the redundancy of the genetic code exhibited as the multiplicity of 3 base pairs codon combination that specify an amino acid, degeneracy, universality, specificity, or non-overlapping. So here the correct option is degeneracy. Question 52. The motion caused by earthquakes traveled outwards from the focus in the form of dash: electromagnetic wave, seismic waves, gravity wave, or the magnetic wave. So here the correct option is beta, seismic waves. Question number 53. Linkage of calcium with calmodulin activates in the contraction cycle of smooth muscles MLC kinase, MLC phosphorylase, MHC kinase, or MHC phosphorylase. So here the correct option is MLC kinase alpha. Question number 54. Immunological destruction of body tissue or product due to antibodies reaction with its an antigen is called immunodeficiency disease, prophylaxis, autoimmune disease, or anaphylaxis. So the best option for this question is autoimmune disease, Charlie. Question number 55. Dash animals produce urea: cartilaginous fishes, insects, bony fishes, or the birds. So the best option for this question is cartilaginous fishes alpha. Question number 56. Corticotrophin releasing hormone stimulates synthesis or secretion of hormone from the pituitary glands: FSH, GH, ACTH, or the TSH. So here the best option is adrenocorticotrophic hormone, ACTH. Charlie is the correct option. Question number 57. The major sister phyla of the arthropod is Annelida, Mollusca, Echinodermata, or the Eschyhelminthes. So here the best option is alpha Annelida. Question number 58. In marsupials, gestation periods varies between 8 to 20 days, 8 to 30 days, 8 to 40 days, or 8 to 48 days. The correct option is Charlie, 8 to 40 days. Question number 59. Growth hormone secreted by pituitary glands regulates the function of most of the somatic tissue, thyroid glands, gonads, or the internal glands. Here the best option is most of the somatic tissues. Next question, question number 60. Isotopes of atoms differ in numbers of neutrons, numbers of protons, numbers of electrons, or the atomic weight. The best option is the number of neutrons. Alpha is the correct option. Question number 61. Fleas are a feeder of crustaceans? Blood, hair, skin? Answer is blood. Question number 62. Galapagos finches are a good example of extinction, heterochromia, Iceland digestion, adaptive radiation. The best option for this question is adaptive radiation. Delta is the correct option. Question number 63. Which one is the example of social insect? Honeybee, grasshopper, louse, or the cockroach? Obviously, alpha is the correct option. Honeybees are the best example of the social insects. Next question. Dash are the agents that cause uncontrolled growth of cells? Teratogens, carcinogens, mutagens, or heavy metals? The best option for this question is beta carcinogens. Next question. An amniotic egg is present in frog, fish, sea turtle, or the cockroach? So correct option for this question is sea turtle. Charlie is the correct option. Question number 66. The thyroid gland secrete hormone besides T3 and T4, somatostatin, parathormone, calcitonin, or the thyroglobulin? The best option is calcitonin. Charlie is the correct option. Question number 67. The inner surface of ectoderm have positive affinity for endodermal cell, mesodermal cell, archaeanteron, or the stomodium? The best option for this question is mesodermal cell. Beta is the correct option. Next question. Madreporite is present in Ascaris, sea star, hydra, housefly? Sea star is the correct option. Question number 69. What kind of areas are known as arid areas? Areas with high humidity, area with deficient in rainfall, delta areas, or heavy forested areas? The best option for this question is area deficient in rainfall is a kind of area known as arid areas. So the best option is beta. Question number 70. Most mammals have dash set of teeth during their life? 2, 4, 5, or 3? The best option is alpha, 2. Most mammals have 2 set of teeth during their life. So thank you so much guys. Hope so this video will be helpful for all of you. In the next video we'll discuss the next 30 MCQs. This was the second part. In the first part I discussed first 30 MCQs, and in this video I discussed the next 40 MCQs of the PPSC lecture zoology paper, which was held on 20th December 2020. Thank you so much for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.